Hey guys, it's Mike and Dan from Mountain Properties of the Carolinas. We're actually here in Scenic Wolf Resort, which is about 30 minutes north of Asheville. Pretty easy drive, right up 26. This community features about 35 cabin-style rental homes, as well as some townhomes. I wanted to talk a little bit about this community, as well as we're going to go in one of the homes and talk about what these homes have to offer. So again, we have a couple amenities here that are important. We have a pool. It was been closed for a little bit, but we expect that to be reopened here soon. We have ski slopes. Behind you, Dan, you're going to see some chairlifts. We're really excited. We have an investor just purchased this ski slope and these amenities just a couple months ago. What they're saying is they're going to put a lot of money into these and really make these better, more attractive amenities for these particular renters. So exciting place to be. We're again about 4,300 feet in elevation here, so much more cooler summers. The summers are probably the main rental market just because it is higher, but still things to do outside. We have the Appalachian Trail that sits behind. You'll see that from this home we're going to be at, as well as you can get to Asheville literally in 30 minutes. Go to dinner in Asheville, go see a show, go to Biltmore, whatever it is, come back here and enjoy your time back in this particular community. Fall season offers fantastic leaf viewing, whether that be in the Smoky Mountains or the Appalachians. From every angle you have amazing leaves. This is an important thing for guests and renters. That's going to be one of your highest producing seasons. People like to get outside in the cooler weather, see the leaves, what they have to offer, and Mother Nature provides that here, as well as many other places we'll showcase in these videos. So again, we're going to look at a home, talk a little bit more about the area, and hopefully you get a sense of what this has to offer, if this is a particular region you want to potentially look into with an investment strategy. So I wanted to talk to you about a specific home. We've sold a couple in this community. One here called Wildlife Ridge. We sold this one about 2 years ago as well, called Dreamcatcher. And then there's a third one below us we sold about a year ago as well, all very similar homes. But I wanted to showcase just one as to why these homes are great short-term rental investments. So I want to talk about a few things. I'm going to talk about what was important when we first purchased this home with a buyer, and then what they've done since then to really maximize short-term rental income. This home last year grossed $52,000. So it had a cap rate of 15%. Anything above 10% we feel is a very good investment. And but again, we're going to look at a couple things they've done since that point of purchase to really make their home stand out above the others. One thing that's nice to point out is this particular home has a code system for the front door. Makes it easy for your guests to have a unique code that they can delete after they've been here. You can also give unique codes to your cleaners, as well as you have a property manager, so they have their own code. Makes it very easy and accommodating for all. So this is a very functional home. Hopefully you see it's a very open floor plan between the kitchen and the main living area. A couple of things I wanted to point out from since these folks purchased the home is they have put in some new countertops. It was a Formica before. Now they have a nice granite countertop, brings out some nice colors in the home. I think they have a new dishwasher and whatnot. So the point being, they are upgrading the home since purchase, which is very important. You don't want to just buy the home and let it deteriorate without doing some continuous maintenance to improve it. So we recommend reinvesting a strong portion of your income so that it continues to be an attractive home for your renters. This particular home, it's got some nice grand windows, a big view out the front of the home. What we're looking at across the way when we get to the front deck is Wolf Laurel, community of about 800 homes. Many of them are rentals because you can rent in that community, as well as this one, which is an important thing to consider. If you're in a community like this one, you want to make sure the community allows short-term rentals. Just can't assume that, so we sometimes have to go digging in the covenants and restrictions to see if in fact this can be a rental property. Here we see our master bedroom. And this is a unique thing for our guests. So one of the first things that's fun about when you buy these homes is to name it. This particular one's named Wildlife Ridge. Ridge because we're on a ridge. And wildlife, as you'll see, each room has a theme to it. This particular one is the bear room. You'll see different bear pictures and whatnot on the walls. Master has its own bathroom. Of course, highly recommend that you allow your people that are renting it have their own bath if that is something that you can do. Hey, I want to show you one other cool thing that these owners did. They're providing a gift bag for each of their guests. I don't think it seems very expensive. It looks like a thank you card, a deck of cards with the name. So as they're playing back at home, they have a VRBO number, some local jam, and the koozies for your enjoyment of your cold beverage. Guest book. This is going to also be important. Provides local restaurant information, television instructions, hot tub instructions. Just all nice handy things that somebody can grab relatively easy if they get in a pinch and don't have to call you that way. Heading upstairs, the top of the stairs you have a nice view from above. Kind of still see what everybody's up to. Still get a great view from the mountains with the grand windows. Over to the left, this one is called the deer room. The deer room's the kid room. You can see you get multiple people in here. It's really important. This is a 4-bedroom home, but these particular renters can fit up to 11. So when you market and advertise the home, you can say, hey, we sleep 11. Creating a bunk bed situation adds to that. One of the things that this particular homeowner has is a PlayStation 4. You got kids here, it's a rainy day, windy day, and they want to be entertained, and you don't really want to entertain them. This provides them the ability to come upstairs and enjoy the latest in technology. Okay, just headed down to the basement, the fun room, entertainment, game room. If you can afford one of these in your search, this is a very great use of space as people can separate. Adults are upstairs, wanting some quiet time. Kids or younger adults can come down here, or maybe everybody could challenge your friends or your family to a game of billiards. This particular table was here when it was purchased. So again, a turnkey type of situation. What you want to look for when you're buying is how much am I going to have to spend to furnish the home. Most of these in this area come furnished. So you want to look for key things like this. It's just going to save you money. And you want to back that out of your investment and your price when you're calculating that to show truly what your return looks like. Have a secondary fireplace. Another great perk on this particular home, gas, easy to use. It has a timer. Guest turns it on, it's not going to run all day or all night, or when they leave. It can only go up to, I believe, an hour. A new addition, a secondary game, is shuffleboard. Very easy to do, very low maintenance. I think it's great for all ages. Nice little shuffle, never seen that. Very easy to do, yet also takes up very minimal space. This particular home has a bar, great feature. You got a TV, come behind the bar. This homeowner put in a epoxy on here to make it look nice, but also minimize the scratches or anything like that would come with it. Have a secondary fridge for your beverage of enjoyment, TV as well. So off the back, we have a separate patio here with a hot tub. I'm a big advocate of. I've seen studies that show adds $8,000 to $10,000 to the value. You just have to make sure you have a way to get it cleaned regularly, as well as maintenance with the proper chemicals. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe on our YouTube page, and continue to look for videos like this of other homes that are performing great in the short-term rental market.